Today we are going to construct a tangent. What is a tangent? Look at this circle, and there's a PQ straight line. That PQ straight line cuts the circle. Look at this straight line, AB straight line. That is outside of the circle. XY straight line that touches the circle. When a line touches the circle, we call it as a tangent. Now we are going to draw a tangent to this circle. This is the center of this circle. Take a ruler and draw a line across this center. Okay. Next step is take a compass. We are going to draw a perpendicular line to this straight line. From here, draw an arc. From here, draw another arc. Another arc from here, and another arc from here. In our earlier lesson, you learned how to draw a perpendicular line. Now we can join these bisects together from here to here. Okay. Then this is the tangent of this O circle. This is the tangent. We'll name it as CD. That is the tangent of this circle O. We'll name this joint as X. This is OX. It meets CD perpendicular line. We call it as a tangent. It makes a 90 degrees angle. Here it's 90 degrees because it's a perpendicular line. This is a tangent.